The FEIN 18V brushless impact wrench is a high torque driver with 6-stage torque settings for metric screws and bolt connections up to M27. The high torque metal gear delivers 1050 Nm for tightening applications and a higher reverse torque of 1500 Nm for loosening stubborn connections. The soft start motor with overload and restart protection has 30% more efficiency and variable torque settings, which prevents screw heads from being torn off, and offers flexibility to adapt to many applications.